Mom, wait!
Grace, come on, keep moving.
I'm coming!
Grace, hurry. Keep moving.
Hello? Who's that? Oh, I'm so sorry about the power outage.
What happened?
Oh, it's probably the electrical panel. It's 40 years old, so it doesn't take much to trip it. It's really no excuse, and I apologize for the inconvenience.
Oh, no, it's fine.
Yeah, don't worry.
I should have it fixed soon. I just need to find my...
What the hell, Mom?
No, Grace, no. Grace, stay close to me.
Are you gonna tell me what's going on? Mom, what are you doing?
Something important.
What did you hide behind that painting?
I'll explain later. We need to find another way out. Grace, come on.
Get away! Get away from me! Oh, shit! Stay away! What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell?
Gaben was locked down.
What? Is it something to do with Victor?
Yeah. He's the one to thank for all the excitement. Excuse me! Shit. make this quick.